Most engines don't die from age. They die because you followed bad advice. Those factory maintenance schedules built to sell cars, not make them last. That's why some engines fail at 130,000 miles, while others reach 500,000 miles without a rebuild. In this video, I'll show you 17 proven habits to make your car last over 500,000 miles without repairs. Let's kick things off. Habit number 17, the 5K oil rule. If you're following the factory oil change interval, you're already risking your engine. That 10,000-mile or once-a-year rule, it's not built for engine life. It's built for marketing. Manufacturers want their cars to look low maintenance on paper to help sales, not to protect your engine long-term. Ask any seasoned mechanic and they'll tell you. Most engines do best with fresh oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, especially if you drive short trips, sit in traffic, or live where it's hot or dusty. That extended interval oil change isn't saving you money. It's grinding your engine from the inside out. Sludge starts forming. Metal on metal wear begins. You won't see it today, but wait 5 years, and that's when your timing chain, VVT system, and cam phasers start falling apart. Remember to consult your owner's manual or a trusted mechanic on the type of oil to use. Synthetic oil for the newer car models and conventional oil for the older car models. Always change the filter when you change the oil. No exceptions. Don't cheap out with the $2 oil filters. Go for the OEM filters. And if your oil looks dark, don't wait. Do it now. Want to hit 500,000 miles without a rebuild? Start by ignoring the book and listening to real-world mechanics. And if you think oil is the only fluid they're lying about, wait until we talk transmission. Habit number 16, change transmission fluid. Here's what manufacturers don't tell you. Waiting for your transmission to slip before changing the fluid is like waiting for chest pain before cutting back on fried food. It's too late. Manufacturers call it lifetime fluid. But whose lifetime? Not your car's. That's just sales talk to make the car sound maintenance-free. Behind the scenes, that fluid is heating up, breaking down, and collecting debris with every shift. Once the slipping starts, it's already too late. You're looking at a $4,000 plus repair cost. The fix, drain and fill every 60,000 miles. Hybrids, maybe 90,000.